Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I will teach you how to create Fivem server. So first go to Google Chrome, type SAP hosting, okay, and click the first link here. So then if you don't have an account, so go to sign up, email address. Your email address should be active guys, password and sign up. Okay guys, after you done creating a sub hosting account guys, so log in your username here and password here, then log in. Check the I'm not a robot. So now guys, so you should click this web interface guys. Click this. Click my game server. Then click plus. Then choose the 5M mode Linux. Now you are here guys. Click choose the server. If you are from US guys, click this USA, USA West, USES, Canada, USA Central. But I'm from Singapore guys, so I will click this Singapore or Asia. I'm from Asia, so I will click this Singapore server. So now, because this is the server guys, I will choose a 10 slot only. But you can choose 48 slots. If you are not Patreon in sub 5M, 5M, so your highest slot is 48. So I'm just click this 10 slots. Go to prepaid guys, don't go contract because I don't want renewal. This contract will be automatic renew your payment. So 0 RAM, standard SSD, 1 month bill. Okay, this is the price guys. 6.62 euro per month. So because I have a 50% discount, I will input the code. This code. Okay. Credit card. I have credit card. So use voucher guys. Click use voucher. Redeem. Loading. So now I have only 3.31 euro. So I'll pay this by now. Then log in your credit card guys. Your card number. So guys, now we are successfully for our payment guys.
Now we have Fivem server installing. Just wait for 30 seconds.
So now go back to your web interface. Click web interface now. We got 5M server. Click this. So loading. Okay. downloading files, guys. Just wait. Just wait a minute. This is my IP address, guys. So click this, and now we have Fivem server, guys. This is now go to resources and download these resources, guys. This is resources from sub hosting, but this is not complete to run the game. So download this. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. These are resources from sub hosting. If you need this script, guys, just download, guys. So now we are going to 5Ms. So enter your IP address. Yeah, now this is our 5M server, guys. Connect.
Oh,
Okay, now we are here awaiting script. Okay, we are here, guys. We are here at cemetery. Now we have fiber server but no resources. Okay. Okay, lahat, guys, just go back to we forgot to restart the server. So we will go back to our self hosting, then restart the server. On our okay. So just restart the server, guys. This is the way to restart the server. This is our dashboard. Sorry for my English. I don't know how to speak English, but I am trying to speak English to help you. Start. Copy this IP address. Now, wait. Log in the 5M. I don't know this. Okay. Uh, Here. Self hosting 5M. Server hosting. Connect. This is our server, guys. We have 63 script inside because we restarted our self hosting. Okay, great. I am wow. Then space. Now we going to door. This is the job. LSPD, real studio reporter. So I will create a video how to remove this and how to whitelist this job. So some job are need to whitelist. Okay, we have job center. Now we're going to car dealer. Now we have car dealer, garage. Okay, we have ATM. So many, so many resources. Tapos, oh, okay. Now we have uh, car dealer. This is a price. You can change this price to your data on sub hosting website. Okay. And okay, we have so many fists rifle. You can remove this rifle, guys, on your data, guys. Okay, the garage, guys, are we need to remove this garage. These garage are we should remove this because not working. This card not working, guys. And I will teach you how to create a garage. So look at if you have a car, guys, this car is not working, so we should remove this. So when you that's all, guys. uh, Thank you. These scripts are only 20%, so don't worry, we have so many tutorial how to add more scripts. You need also a developer, guys, on how to create a script, your own script. Yes, that's all, guys, and thank you.